Dr. Chris Lavoie here from Vivo Chiropractic, and a question I get all the time is, what is that cracking sound when I get adjusted? I'll tell you what it's not. It's not bones cracking together or anything snapping. Believe it or not, it's actually nitrogen gas being released in the joint. Just like carbonation in a soda, there's gas built up in that joint fluid, and when we adjust you, it makes a popping sound. And literally, that's all it is. That little gas makes a bubble, and that bubble pops, and those little bubbles go back and be resorbed in. And that's all it is. There's nothing to be scared of, just a little gas in the joint. That's your Vivo tip. Go Vivo.